But where I'm going with this is with that new marketing, with all these funnels, with all this advertising, all this marketing, everything that we're rolling out, guys, and it is really exciting what is happening right now. It's really exciting that we have broken every record in the network marketing industry just in our first year and a half, as far as numbers, growth, explosion, momentum, all that stuff. And we haven't even started yet. It is about to explode. So with all this new marketing, we anticipate being able to generate thousands and thousands of customers a day on top of what's already coming in through the affiliate side, which we want to make available for you kind of as a co-op system, allow you to kind of participate in that, buy customers, for lack of a better word, to help build your organization, build your rank, help you advance quicker, and earn more money in the compensation plan. So all that is coming. Yeah, it's guys.
Bam!
Yeah. It's,
bro.
I mean, talk about right place, right time. I mean, we hit this thing at the right time, and lots of exciting things happening, and it's interesting. I'll turn it over to you in a second, Nader. I know Nader's excited to
I'm dying here.
Some power, but it's interesting, Nader, that companies are watching us.